I am Harrigan. I'm head of operations at Irwin's Bakery. Irwin's Bakery was founded in 1912. It's a fourth generation family business, and we are one of the largest independent plant bakeries in Northern Ireland, and we supply all the major retailers within Northern Ireland, GB and Ireland. So the Smart Bakery project was developed to improve our operational capability and become more efficient, to reduce waste, to improve our quality, just to become more flexible and to develop the business that would meet the changes within the market. So we looked at additional capabilities, we looked at other companies within the Northern Ireland economy and the manufacturing industry to see how we improve and develop. We worked alongside the Northern Ireland Technology Centre at Queen's University, and we engaged them from the very start of the project. Alongside with Invest NI, we identified that the likes of robotics would be an ideal opportunity for us to introduce within the business. So we looked at various different types of robots, initially at collaborative robots, and how we could integrate them within a process within the business. When introducing the Smart Bakery project, some of our staff were believers and some were non-believers, because with any new technology, and especially introducing robotics into a traditional process, it's very difficult to see how robotics could basically do the job that people have been doing for over 100 years with us. We talked through with our trade union partners, we talked with our staff that were going to be involved, and we got their input into the project on the design of the project, the concept of the project, what was involved in the project and how we were going to integrate it. Our staff responded really well. They were very much involved in training and adapted to it within their role, and they looked for improvements as well within the process in order to get it right. We have improved efficiency, we have reduced our waste, we've improved our quality, and also we've got now technology that is integrated within our traditional industry and a traditional process that has made us a lot more flexible, and we are now more adaptable to the changing market. Our future business strategy is strengthened because now we are more flexible, and as a result of the project we now have a great outlook for the future and future growth. So the challenges that we came across was trying to integrate any new system or new process while we were still manufacturing. We manufacture 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, and 363 days a year, so it's very difficult to try and find downtime to introduce new technologies within the industry. So we had to work offline, either on-site or off-site with some of our integration partners, to do testing and simulation until we got the correct design and the correct application that would suit our business, and then we introduced that without stopping production. Success factors for digital transformation, one of the key things I would say would be patience, because when you're bringing something new into a traditional industry, you have to understand that it's new and a lot of unforeseen obstacles that might be there that you have to overcome and work through. And therefore, whenever you have a project and you have a timeline for the project, there's a good chance that that project timeline will have to be reevaluated along the way because there will be some unknowns. The three tips that I would give to other companies would be to be patient and be realistic about your timeline, to seek advice from either the likes of the NITC, Invest NI, or even other companies that have embarked upon the project, and to engage as many people within your organisation to be a part of it, so therefore that everybody comes along the journey.